Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality a forum backlink. So the website name is forum.getodk.org. So this is a .org website and you will see this is a website a dashboard. So before they started, we can do some research about this website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 62 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 56 and the spam score is 31%. This is quite high. So if you think this site is relevant for you, so you can create your forum backlink on this website. Either you can ignore this site. So now we can start. First thing you will see this is a website URL and I can provide this URL over the description section. So where you guys will access this website easily. So first thing you guys will click on the sign up button. Then we will create our profile, our account. So there you can fill your email. Then you can choose your username. And after that you will choose your password. And there you can add your company name, your profile name. Then you will click on the sign up button and you will see our account is created. So this site will send you the verification email. So you guys will check your Gmail box, then we will verify your profile. So you can click on the link, click here to activate your account and you will see our account is successfully created and confirmed. So first thing we will optimize our profile. So simply you can click on the profile and click on the summary. Let me see. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. So this is your username and this is your logo if you're wanting, so you can update. And this is your company name. And if we can click on the profile, so there you guys will update your profile description. And there you can add your website URL. And if you're wanting, so you can update your profile header. There you can add your map location, and after that once you guys will complete these things, national flag is India, and after that you can click on the save changes and your changes are saved now. So this is your profile backlink, and if I can show you, so this is your profile username and you will see this is your company name, this is your website URL, and this is your all details. After that once you guys will complete these things, to now we can move forward with the how we will create a forum backlink. So you will click on the, you can navigate on the home page and after that you can click on the plus new topic, and there you can add your threads a title. So suppose that what is forum submission sites, what is forum submissions, and there you guys will choose your category. So category is the, you will choose category from these. So showcase the case study interviews. So this site is this thread site is not relevant for me, So that's why I can choose anything, and after that, if you wanting, so you can include some tags. Once you guys will did these things, after that you can click on the create topic button, add details. Please add details and specify your topic by editing the topic template. So you guys will add your description in this section. So might be, let me add this. And let me click on the create. So you will see our topic is created. It's need for the approval. So if when so this website moderator team will verify your thread, and if the thread is relevant for their guidelines, so they will going to approve your thread. So this is a process for the forum submission on this website. And also you guys will search the some threads are relevant to the your industry. So suppose that video interview. So this is a relevant topic for my industry. So video interview with interview and the audio recorded of the whole interview. So this would be the relevant for me. So if I wanting, so I can engage with these threads. So there is a option to we will create our thread. Let me see, I guess they are closed the discussion on this thread. So overall this is the process of the forum submission of this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to will motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.